I tell you what, a river's a river and a fish is a fish, man. Got fish on your line, got water and rocks at your feet, logs. It's all the same, man. You Bennett Springs, Missouri, as far as I'm concerned, quite frankly, it's all the same. I guess if you're looking to eat some trout, then it's a little bit different, but if you're just wanting to go fishing and catch some fish. All right, the end of our worm got gnarled up and won't hold the hook, so yeah, we just suck it on it, you know, we just bit the end of it off, but I hear you. It's been in the Mississippi River, but you know, just makes you tougher, man. Gotta boost that immune system these days. Bite the end of it off and get a fresh soft plastic there to run hook through, so it stays. Yeah, there's a little bit of current going through there. Wow. Oh, I got a big bump right there on the edge of the current. Oh, man, it smacked it, whatever it is, and took off. Let's see what we got here. It's coming up. Oh, a big drum. Ah, big drum. Big drum. Here, get pliers this time. Big old sheep's head. Mighty Mississippi River. Southwestern Illinois. Come on. Oh. 2 so far. About a half hour maybe altogether. That one was right where I expected a nice fat smallmouth or striper to be. Right just back off of that main river current scene. Coming back towards us in the pocket, right off the side of that boil. Not there, but right there. But it'll work its way over there. See the line moving over. Not in the exact same spot, because when I was there the first time I had a sensation of my bait, of the weight of my sinker, and that cast there I had no, I mean it was stuck, just stuck in suspension out there in that boiling water. Maybe right here on that seam. Yep, it's coming through there. Looking for where it changes direction. I'm going, getting sucked out to the main river to push back. There it was, getting pushed back into this side a little bit. Ooh, might have had a bump there. There's a lot of gravel on there. I have to go stand right on the hot hook setting spot there. Yep, that's it. See that difference right there? On this side of this rock, the river's getting sucked right out into the water's getting sucked right out to the main river. And on this side, it's getting sucked back into us that way. So we were working our lure with the current. The pocket here, man, I mean, this has got to be, oh, I need to literally just spend a day on this pocket right here. Get her right in here, in the current, pull it out there, flip our bail, and then we're just gonna see where the current takes us. fall in here. I said, don't fall in here. Unless you're on that side. You'll be gone in like a minute. It'll suck you under, that's the main thing. It'll suck you under, that's the main thing. Oh yeah, right where I thought so. Like I said, we're gonna cast in the current, let it do its thing. Find the seam for us. Regardless of what it is, it's gonna be able to hit the main. See how that sucks down right there? That's what it'll do. And then it'll spit you out somewhere 100, 200 yards down the river. You have to fight it. I want to. Yeah. Okay. No, it's all right. I was just saying, don't think I'm an idiot talking to myself. Are you? Oh, damn it! It's a big sheep's head. Oh my! It's a big one though. Oh my god, dude! I was watching a video. I was watching this thing, and it's like these culinary professionals or whatever. It was like for real TV. And the lady's like, it's basically the redfish that everybody in the South wants. It's a delicacy, right? You know what I mean? They say it's pretty darn good. But she did everything right. Like she bled it out, you know what I mean? And all that, you know what I mean? Like treat it like normal, like she was working in a restaurant, right? Rather than just taking, you know, river fish and throwing it right on a skillet or some shit, you know? But I mean, the Indians ate the hell out of them. This is like their staple. And a thrash meat. Man. Oh, broke my line. Go. Still got the hook out. Thrashed the hook, broke the hook. Very common. Very common with sheep's head fishing. With today's modern hooks, high carbon steel. Get a sharper point, but rather than bend, they break. That's your lesson for today on hooks. We're gonna get down here. Ooh, we got a nice breeze incoming into this cove. All right, catch up to you in a few when we get something tied up here. Oh, that's a, I believe that's a juvenile eagle. Yep, I can tell by its head. That's a juvenile eagle, juvenile bald eagle. Alrighty, yesterday, wife and I were standing right out there. So obviously it's come up about 1.5 to 2 feet. Say could be a good thing. Oh, right on there. Oh, got it back. Wow. Could be a good thing for catching. We'll see here. Really see what happens tomorrow morning. Come back. there's that eagle we spooked up. All right, I gotta get a soft plastic tight. Let it drift in this current. Let it drift down into the pockets. One more rattle and wrap thing here. Put the line down so the wind isn't affecting it much. It's basically laying in the water now like a fly line. So let that sucker sink a little bit and keep the line straight. So the wind is just pounding back in and I just want to pull it in over the rocks. That's why we're gonna have problems with that soft plastic. The wind on this camera is probably horrific. Pull into the boil on the other side before we make our commitment to a lure change. Dip the eddy. Wow, it's just blowing. Yeah, we're gonna go with a heavy for this line, 3/16 bullet head and thin soft plastic. Catch back up with you in a minute. All right, we're tied up here. Got a 3/16 ounce bullet weight. Kalen's 3-inch grub, pearlescent pepper. Gamakatsu 1/0 hook. Really, I thought I was gonna go with a little longer worm. Otherwise, I would have put just a number 1 hook on there. But got what we got for the moment. Got a current trickling through here, the river is. You can literally just treat this like a little creek, you know, this little pocket. Got that tooth running through there, got that pocket there. And it's like a little waterfall riffle in the Kankakee River, the Merrimack. They do all connect after all. Wind died down a little bit now. I wish I would have gone with the little lighter, 8 ounce. Oh, that was a thump there. That was a thump. It might have been the belly of a gar or something though, because we were coming up with it. That was a rod bender. That's funny. Yeah, that's pretty much right there in the same spot. So do it with a little bit of speed. Yeah, I'm gonna retire. We're gonna go a little lighter. Ooh. I don't know. It's hard to tell if you get a bump because with that bigger hook on here, you can see the worm doesn't, which I do like though, the worm doesn't go all the way up to the bullet weight itself. So when you get that little snag and that little pop off of a rock or something, it doesn't jam your worm up on you. But I would like to go with the smaller. It's just something different you can do. You know you're going to be bumping through a lot of stuff, and your soft plastics used to get bumped, you know, push down on the hook and give you a funky presentation after you bump over a rock. Don't cinch it all the way up like you're going through eelgrass or whatever, you know. Bam. Bam. Probably a drum, but we'll see. Yep. Forgot to bring the dang grippers. Bought grippers at Bass Pro today. I was in a hurry leaving and forgot to grab them. I gotta bust this off. We'll end up changing hooks anyway. Another drum. Crushed it going over a rock. Ah, you son of a gun. Off it goes. See that? Grub's still in good shape. Push it right back up. Lying back on the end of the hook eye. Just not going. Otherwise, it's going to end up being a bust off probably. Oh, there we go. Yeah, I think we need to go maybe a little touch lighter. Let's see, give it a couple more shots. Gar surfacing there in the top. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Fire one out there, get our line cleaned up. They are up shallow feeding in this, treating it like it's a riffle basically, you know. Right out there in the pocket. Sitting off of here in a boat, just dragging through all these ripples the correct way, you know, with the current. Holy smokes. Oh, got another one. Got another one. Oh, it was a gar. I don't know if you saw that flash at the surface there. That was a gar. Crushed it. Oh my gosh. Thump. And boom. Oh, that is funny. So we caught a drum and we put the gar. Alrighty, Mississippi River fishing, folks. I'm gonna see how long it takes us to catch a smallmouth bass. That's our goal. We want to get locked into the smallmouth bass. That is my fish. Let's fire another one way out there. Get our line cleaned up. Steady through the current, through the eddies. Another drop here in our hot spot. Once again, we are fishing Wing Dam on the mighty Mississippi River. Oh, got another one. Oh, that's a bigger one. That's a bigger one. Oh boy. Oh, that immediately. That might be a catfish or something. I don't know. I forget the way all the fish feel on the end of my line, but nah, it's too much jerking going on. That's not a cat. Cats are more womp, womp. This is almost more like a bass. A little sharper than a sheep's head, it seems like. Man, I'm trying to get my feel back. Haven't really fished in years. We got a barge coming down. I hope that sucker doesn't push the water up on it. Ooh, whatever it is. That was big. I was looking the other way. I was looking at the barge. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh, we're gonna give it some drag. We're gonna give it some easier drag here. Make sure I at least get a look at it. Oh. Oh my. Oh my. Oh my, we forgot the jaws. Just get up to the surface, so I at least see what it is. I don't care if it gets off, I just want to know what it is. I can get a look at it. Hopefully this barge don't, oh, it's just a big drum. Oh, it might have been a striper actually. Oh, that might have been a striper. That might be why it's pulling so hard. I might need to relax on this thing, give it a little bit of time. I think that might have been a big striper. No, drum. Gosh, dog it. Just a bigger dang drum. It's a jumbo. I mean, that sucker was up in the rocks, man. Look at that sucker. That is a giant sheep's head. Wow. Oh my. I haven't shut the camera off either. It's continuous reel. Oh my. Hope this barge doesn't push too much water on, so let's step up just a second. Wait, just to see. Go ahead and get a fresh bang on her. Just go ahead and get a fresh worm altogether. You know what? Let's just retie. We've got 2 good drums. Hook the gar. Let's just get a retie going here. Otherwise we'll end up breaking off that one amazing smallie we get, you know. Now we're gonna get a retie and catch back up with you. All right, retie it up. Gotta give it our bang. Crawfish shad formula. Bang. Bang, 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 bang. See the caves over there? Sunset definition. Give you a quick view looking north up the mighty Mississippi River. That is the Missouri side on the left there. I guess it'd be right. Oh, it got out. Oh my gosh. Sweet. While we're over here, let's just try a couple on the other side real fast. Fish the push. Ooh, 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 ooh. We got one on the front side of it. We got one in the push. Oh, that's another big sheep's head. Oh my. Oh, jumbo. We're gonna have to get that gripper scale. Should have got it when I was at Bass Pro today. I was like, $35. I ain't gonna buy that dang thing. Had one long years ago. They're dynamite to have. This is a jumbo. Oh my gosh. That is a flipping drum there. Holy smokes. And that guy was on the front side of the wing dam hunting in the push instead of the eddies on the back. I can hear him croaking. Come on. Off it goes. Back into the mighty Mississippi. be darned. Oh my gosh, my hook is just destroyed. Oh. That's better. It ain't right, but it's better. Wind's picking up, sun's going down. I ain't taking the time to retie right now. We're about to run. We gotta run. Oh my gosh, the woods is pitch black. Oh, whatever it is. Oh, striper, little white bass. Finally. That's what I've been looking for. I should have known, man. These suckers smacked it and took off. Thought it was a crankbait. Oh, I haven't caught one of these guys in years. Wow.